Ho, ho, ho! Let's make Santa cookies. I started by scratching out an outline on my cookie, and then I'm going to outline the hat and let it dry for a little bit because I want to keep some separation between the hat and where the ball of the hat goes. And I'm going to outline and flood in the face. Going back now, I'm going to fill in the Santa hat, and I'm going to make sure that I don't go over that line right there. Let that dry for a good 20 minutes and then outline and fill in the brim. All of my icings are about a 12 to 15 second consistency. Using some sanding sugar by Wilton, I'm sprinkling it right onto that hat brim. And now I'm going to pipe in the beard. And then I'm going to pipe in the ball of the hat. Let the cookie dry for at least 20 minutes and then pipe in the mustache. Pipe one side and then let it dry for at least 5 minutes before piping the other side. Add the nose and then let it dry overnight before adding the eyes.